truth and not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing from Dkim out of Hawaii. And look at Prince photobombing, or video bombing, but let's get to it. You all know Dkim, eBay has the most desirable specimens that are generally in bloom or about to be in bloom. And they always come in these boxes that are so well protected, even in the wintertime, which our weather sucks today. You can see windy and it's supposed to rain more. But let's get back to this. Again, this is how easy that was. Just lift it right out of the box. Nice. This, folks, is Epidendrum densiflorum. Epidendrums are some of my favorite orchids, and this is a species. It's not. There we go. And could that possibly be? Maybe. No, that's a spin spike. I'm crazy. Hopefully we'll see a new growth coming up soon. Anyway, again, that's Epidendrum densiflorum. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it a lot. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Fingers crossed. Again, thanks for watching and enjoy your orchids.